Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. The Mediterranean diet is a nutritious and balanced eating pattern that draws its inspiration from traditional diets of people living in coastal regions of Crete, Greece, and southern Italy. This diet has gained immense popularity in recent years thanks to its numerous health benefits, which include a reduced risk of heart disease, chronic illness, and obesity. The Mediterranean diet is characterized by its focus on whole grains, healthy fats, such as those found in fish, olive oil, and nuts, a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, and moderate consumption of fish while limiting the consumption of non-fish meat. In addition to nourishing the body with wholesome food, the Mediterranean diet also stressed the importance of socializing during mealtimes with family and friends and leading an active lifestyle through physical exercise. One of the key aspects of the Mediterranean diet is the inclusion of healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil and nuts, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, this diet promotes the consumption of fresh fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, essential for overall health and wellness. Moreover, the Mediterranean diet places a strong emphasis on spending quality time with loved ones during mealtimes, which not only fosters social connections, but also helps slow down the pace of eating, leading to a better digestion and overall satisfaction from meals. Before we get deeper into this video about the Mediterranean diet, check out the link in the description to discover a special formula that combines 10 of the best clinically researched type of fiber that can help you lose weight. Check out the link in the description to learn how your happiness, your well-being, and your entire life changes. Now, let's get straight into the video. Discover the flavorful world of the Mediterranean pantry. The Mediterranean pantry is the foundation of a healthy and delicious meal plan. This way of eating relies on simple selection of ingredients that are readily available in most grocery stores, many of which you already have in your kitchen. In addition to stocking up on fresh vegetables and seafood, several pantry staples are essential for Mediterranean cooking. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, and for good reason. This high-quality oil is not only flavorful, but also provides numerous health benefits. When shopping for olive oil, look for premium varieties and consider buying directly from a trusted source. Legumes such as beans, chickpeas, and lentils are a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. They can be found both dry and canned, and they add nutrition and texture to a variety of dishes. Pastas, grains, and cereals such as brown rice, barley, farro, quinoa, couscous, and bulgur are also important staples. These versatile ingredients can be used in a wide range of recipes and add a satisfying touch to carbohydrates to your meal. Dried fruits, seeds, and nuts such as pistachios, hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts, sesame seeds, and raisins, dried apricots, and dates are essential pantry items. These foods add flavor, crunch, and nourishment to your meals and make for satisfying snacks. To extend the shelf life of your nuts and seeds, store them in the freezer in an airtight container. Dried herbs and spices are an important aspect of the Mediterranean cooking. They add flavor and nutrition to the dishes and can be used to elevate the taste of your meals. Look for all natural or organic spices and consider purchasing directly from a trusted source. Canned tomatoes are a staple in Mediterranean cooking, and they can be used in a variety of recipes, from sauces and stews to soups and casseroles. Look for quality, low-sodium options and be sure to keep a variety of canned tomatoes in your pantry at all times. Other essential items to keep on hand include tahini, a nutty paste made from toasted sesame seeds, and all-natural honey, which can be used for baking and as a natural sweetener. With these staples in your pantry, you'll have everything you need to create delicious and nutritious Mediterranean-style meals. Benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Here are some science-proven benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet for a healthy heart. The Mediterranean diet has gained recognition for its potential in promoting heart health and preventing cardiovascular disease. Scientific studies have consistently demonstrated the positive impact of this diet on cardiovascular health. One study conducted a comparison between the Mediterranean diet and a low-fat diet and found the Mediterranean diet was more successful in slowing the progression of plaque buildup in the arteries. This buildup is a significant contributor to heart disease and is a major risk factor for cardiovascular health. In addition to reducing the risk of plaque buildup, The Mediterranean diet has also been linked to lower levels of both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of heart disease and stroke, making it essential for cardiovascular health. By lowering blood pressure, the Mediterranean diet can support a healthier heart and lower the risk of heart-related illnesses. Enhance brain power. Unlock the power of good nutrition with the Mediterranean diet. It protects your brain and maintains optimal cognitive function. The Mediterranean diet has long been hailed for its numerous health benefits, and its impact on the brain function and cognitive health is no exception. Studies show that following this wholesome and nutritious diet is associated with numerous benefits, including improved memory, reduced risk of Alzheimer's and dementia, and heightened cognitive function in older adults. By incorporating a variety of healthy, whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, the Mediterranean diet provides your brain with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. So why wait? Start taking control of your brain health today and add the Mediterranean diet to your routine for a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. The path to sustainable weight loss. Before we get into the path of sustainable weight loss, check out the link in the description to discover a special formula that combines 10 of the best clinically researched type of fiber that can help you lose weight. Check out the link in the description to learn how your happiness, your well-being, your entire life changes. Now, let's get straight into the path for permanent weight loss. Are you ready to finally shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight for good? Look no further than the Mediterranean diet, proven to help you achieve significant weight loss and long-term results. According to a 2020 study, participants who followed the Mediterranean diet and lost at least 10% of their body weight were twice as likely to maintain their weight loss. It's important to remember that diet alone is not enough for sustainable weight loss. To achieve your goals and see real results, incorporating daily exercises to your routine is crucial. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, incorporating physical activity into your lifestyle will not only boost your weight loss efforts, but also improve your overall health and well-being. So if you're serious about reaching your weight loss goals, take the first step today and make the Mediterranean diet and daily exercise part of your lifestyle. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet is a well-rounded and nutritious eating pattern that incorporates wholesome, healthy food, physical activity, and social connections, making it a sustainable and enjoyable way to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.